Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for your camera at the Samsung Galaxy S23. By the way, this works also of course for the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. The first thing I want to show you is if you took a picture, my friend was smiling pretty well here, then you can cut out something here at the phone. Well, it's pretty nice. Just hold your finger on the person you want to cut out. And now I can copy here my friend or share my friend directly or save it as an own image. Let me show you. Now I have an own image here with only my friend, and now I can send it also via WhatsApp, but just my friend. No? You don't need these emoji things. You can use just your own face and so on. So a pretty nice tool. You should try it out a bit. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is a basic feature, and I guess many of you guys know this already. Let us show it also to the people who doesn't know, because it is nice to know if you just double press the power button, we are immediately at the camera without missing time and so on. And what is pretty great at this feature, this works also if your phone is on standby. Just double press the power button and you're immediately at the camera without unlocking the screen, looking for the camera app and so on. And hey, maybe this saves you a great picture one day. Yeah, the next thing is pretty important to know, because anyhow, if you have the S23, the one I'm having here, or the S23 Plus or the S23 Ultra with its 200 megapixel cam, you're just shooting pictures with 12 MPs basically. You need to change something to have the full resolution. Let me show you what I mean. So just tap here on the point 3 to 4. And you can see the option now with 3 to 4 50 MPs. And just if you enable this one, you're shooting pictures with your 50 MPs. Or the Ultra also with, next to the 50 MPs, also with 200 MPs. So let us change it here, from 3 to 4 to 50 MPs now. Let me show you now some examples. So thank you, my friend, for helping us again. Okay, that's picture number 1. And let me change now the camera to the basic one. So 3 to 4. Okay. So let me go back now to the gallery here. So let's start with the 12 MP cam picture. Now swipe it up. I have some more details, and here you can see it's the 12 MPs and the resolution and so on. And here also the reason why Samsung have chosen this as the basic cam, because it doesn't need so much data. And let me swipe now to our 50 MP version. You can see it's with 50 MPs and with a better resolution. And this photo is taking more storage. So yeah, but if you want to have the best results, anyhow, if it requires more storage or not, you should have the fullest resolution. A big advantage of the full resolution is also, if you swipe in, you can now take pictures here in a picture. Just tap on this icon here and you can capture a picture in a picture. Works also, by the way, with the 12 MP cam, but just if you have the full resolution here, 50 MPs or 200 MPs at the Ultra, it makes more sense. And now I'm having here an own photo, just zoomed in. So a pretty nice feature. Yeah, the next topic I want to show you is about the video, because we can meanwhile shoot a very nice 8K video here. And maybe you've asked yourself also, why I need 8K? Even my TV have just 4K right now. What it can do with 8K? Let me show you something. Just tap here on the camera, go to the video, and now let us change here the resolution to 8K with 30 frames per second, what is pretty nice, by the way. So if I record a video right now, let's, here my friend is helping us. Highlighter, okay. So let me stop the video. What is pretty nice, even if it doesn't need the 8K resolution at this moment. Let's go to the gallery again. And here's our 8K video right now. At first I didn't know what to shoot, but here we have again the point to capture. And let me capture now here a part of the video. If we say, okay, this was a great moment, let me capture that. And if I have now here my captured video and my captured picture from the video, so then it has a great resolution, and that's the point. So even if you record a 8K video with a high resolution, you can capture later parts of it like a picture. Because maybe you're waiting for a nice picture, and you wait and you wait, and then the moment comes and you miss the picture. Just record the video, a high resolution video, and then just capture the moment you wanted to have. So a pretty nice feature. The next point I want to show you is also for videos most of the time, but also sometimes for photos, because there's a nice software tool here, for which one you have to spend usually at regular cameras a lot of money. You have an autofocus tracking here. Let me show you a bit more about, because maybe you're taking pictures of your kids, no? And they run, and the camera is a bit, it doesn't know where to focus and so on. But you can track a part, and the camera will following that object or subject, in case your kid, no? And then our example here, always. So let me show you what I mean. So just tap here now on the symbol for the settings. Anyhow, if you're on photos or on videos, just tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down a bit, and you need that here, tracking autofocus. Okay, let me show you now it again with our friend here now. Or you can try it with your kids or pets and so on. Pretty nice. And if I want to have this autofocus, just say hi. Okay, if you want to have that autofocus, just tap on it, and now you see here the little square. Can you see that? So, and anyhow, where I move now, my friend, so it is always following my friend. And this works, of course, also with video. No? If I have not that much space here. By the way, I'm actually in 8K here. Now with 8K in videos, this feature doesn't work. So, but you can go then to UHD, so that means 4K video and 60 frames per second. And you have this feature supported again, this tracking autofocus. Just hold your finger on the part you want to have, or just tap it, no? And now you can track again your child or your pet or whatever, another object, and yeah, pretty nice. And the next feature I want to show you is the basic feature again, and may you remember at the camera times where you have an extra device only as camera, you had always a shutter button directly. No? So let me go here to the camera, and then you had always shutter button, a physical one. And now you need also the smartphones here, this little shutter button, one on the screen. But you're still having a shutter button here also at the Samsung phone. It is the volume down key. So just press the volume down key and you're having a picture. One more time, the volume down key, and you're having a picture. Pretty nice. By the way, this works also for videos. Now, if you're on a video mode, you can start your video with, and you can also stop your video with that. So pretty nice if you prefer physical buttons. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is a virtual assistant. Now, you can recognize things with that, but it doesn't work so well, I have to tell you. But in the tool is another nice tool. Let me show you what I mean. So just go here on the camera to enable it. Then you just go here on More and tap here now on Bixby Vision. The first time you have to accept something there, but you can do that. And then just go here on the bar below on the point text and hold your phone maybe over a book or a page of a book. And now the phone is marking the text. And now you can choose a part of the text you want to have. And you can directly copy it or translate it or whatever. Pretty awesome if you study, you can just use it, just copy a text from a book, from a page, and you can immediately work on that text without writing word by word. pretty nice. You can even translate it. Now let me show you something more about translation. Just go with the bar here on translate and go back one step, because you have also a live translation here. Can you see that? So and even the letters are a bit similar to the original one. So pretty nice. And here as well, you can select the text and immediately work on it. Pretty awesome for your studies, pretty awesome for your holidays and so on. And the phone is auto detecting also the language by its way. You know? So if it doesn't know which language is it, just hold your phone over it and it will tell you which language it is and what it means. So pretty nice. The next feature I want to show you is a basic feature again. It works with all the Samsung phones, by the way, and it is to have a selfie. Maybe you're having a group and you want to have a selfie of your group then, and you have to hold your arm very far, and then it's sometimes very complicated to hit the shutter button. But there's a pretty nice way. Let me show you what I mean. So if you want to make a selfie, then just hold your hand like this, and the phone is recognizing your hand, and then it's taking the selfie. Have you seen that? One more time, hold your hand like this, and the phone is making after 1 or 2 seconds the selfie by its own. A pretty nice way, and as I said, this works also for other Samsung phones. So if you want to help your friends or want to show something nice to your friends, you can do that. Okay, we are already at the end, and let me show you something else what works also on so many Samsung phones. And for that I need help here of my friend again. Thank you. We need of course the cam here, because here at the Magic Stick we have some nice options. No? We have different filters here. So, and we can change maybe the original to the more warm filter here. No? Like, now the colors are more vivid and so on. You can also change here the opacity of that, and yeah, original one, no? More warm one. So we can do a lot of stuff with. You can even make it more cool, the picture, or use a black and white filter here and so on. Pretty nice. And next to it we have also beauty filter here on face, but you have to enable it first. Just tap here to on it, and now you can change maybe your eyes or the jawline here, or the skin tone, or also the smoothness of that picture. But to be honest, we don't need that, because you're beautiful like you are. Yeah, I hope I could help you with that video and show you some nice tips and tricks here for that phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on for that nice phone. Or you can even subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, think about it. You're beautiful like you are. Ciao.